We're at Maryborough at the moment, where there's a solar panel farm to be inspected.
Show some of the panels.
We'll have a look at some of the panels. It's still too early to fly the drone with the solar panels at the angles they're at.
No, 42 degrees now.
So we've got to wait till around 10 o'clock and we fly until about 2 o'clock when the angle is too great again on the other side.
Let's have a look at the angle.
So that's the angle, yeah, it's a pretty steep angle. That's the actuator that tilts all the motors, all the panels to the right angle. And you can see, see where the sun is right now. It's a little steep. And there's 170 odd acres of tilting panels. Hectares, sorry.